Hi beauties and happy Monday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go from gross hair that hasn't been washed in days to beautiful hair that looks like it's just been washed. In today's video, I will also be going over how to help train your scalp. If you're looking to not wash your hair every day, it can be a little bit difficult to go from washing your hair every day to washing it maybe twice a week. So I started out with just brushing my hair from roots to ends, and you can see it's very flat, and that's probably because it is so greasy. Underneath is pretty gross. So you can see it's definitely greasy in there. And you notice when it's dirty and you just do this and it just like stays in place because it's so gross. But this is why I recommend doing this, because one, you get great style and great volume when your hair's a little bit dirty, and also because it is helpful for your hair to help it grow, help with dryness as well. So allowing your natural oils to come through and let it kind of sit in your scalp is healthy for the hair. Next, what I'm gonna do is use my argan oil on my hair. This is also a heat protectant, so this is gonna help protect my hair before I go in with a curling iron, and it's also going to help create a little bit more shine to my hair. And then raking it through the top. The first dry shampoo I'm going to use is a lighter dry shampoo. I'm just going to take it in sections and just hit the roots. This one is nice because it does come out clear, so if you have dark hair, it won't leave that white residue on it. So I just went and I sectioned my hair because I'm going to start with this bottom section, and I'm going to hit the section with some dry shampoo at the roots. I'm going to use my 1 1/4 inch barrel iron, and the way I do my beach waves, I'll show you guys a few times. I take it in the middle and I clamp it down, and as I'm clamping, I'm turning so that it doesn't leave any kinks in the hair. And I'm twisting it up, pulling it through, twisting it up. And then this is the trickier part. I am going to unravel my iron without letting go. So I'm just gonna unravel it. I'm not hitting the clamp. And then I'm gonna twist back up, clamp it down, twist up, unravel, and then pull the ends through. So I'm gonna do it again, and hopefully it's a little less confusing this time if you guys just watch me. So it's clamped, rolling up, pulling it down, rolling up. I'm gonna unravel it without touching the clamp, twist it down, and unravel again and pull the ends through. Roll it up, unravel, roll it up with leaving the ends out, and unravel again and pull the ends through. So I'm not going to brush anything out until the end. You can alternate directions. You don't have to go in the same direction. I just tend to go in the same direction around my face, and then I rotate towards the back. I get a lot of questions in the salon of how I trained my scalp, and it definitely takes a lot of great product and also patience. It does take a while for the production of your oil to slow down. Get your hands on some good dry shampoos, you'll be golden. I jinxed myself last video because I said this iron is getting old and I probably should need a new one, and it keeps turning off. So we're gonna hope for the best. And obviously, you know, the higher you go up on your root with the iron, the more volume you're going to get. So just make sure that you're putting the iron pretty close to the root so it can get a good amount of volume up at the top. And in the front pieces, just make sure that your iron is behind your hair when you start so that you can go away from your face, meaning that the clamp is here. If you're doing a wand, you would be holding it upside down, putting your hair over top of it and going away. instead of doing it this way. So you're gonna go away from your face and you're just going to do it like this. And the same thing on this side. You just wanna make sure you're going away from your face, not towards your face. So the clamp would be in front of your hair. Okay, so now that I'm finished curling, I'm going to brush through my curls with my fingers. And you do want to make sure your hair is completely cooled before brushing through. So you can already see with a lightweight dry shampoo and a little bit of heat, it definitely has helped already. It does not feel as greasy, but I'm gonna go and do 2 more steps. I'm going to use a heavier duty dry shampoo. This is really gonna help it last all day without feeling greasy. And then I'm also going to spray a little bit of shine spray on it to just shine it up and make it look like it's freshly washed. So this is the dry shampoo I am using. It is the U-Dry Plus. Just going to do a light coat on my roots. And then a little bit of my 7 Seconds Flossing Spray by Unite. Probably just ruined my camera. Okay, and then I'm going to take my brush, and you can use a comb for this. I just have my brush next to me, and I'm just gonna do a little back combing up near my root area. This is just gonna give it a little bit of volume up at the top. And that is it. That is all it takes to go from greasy and gross to feeling shiny and smooth like you just shampooed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always have so much fun doing hair with you guys every Monday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That bell is going to help you know when I post my latest video, which is every Monday at 2 o'clock forever. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you next Monday. Bye!